This is my second short tutorial video about compass navigation underwater, using a wrist-mounted diver's compass. And just to refresh your memory, in case you've not seen my first video, I'll just point out a few features of the compass. We have a black bezel here, which you can rotate like that. It's marked out in degrees 0 to 360 in 10-degree intervals. It has a black triangular arrow here, and on the opposite side it's got a sort of a split triangular arrow there. The glass face has a red line down it, which we call the lubber line, and this is used to follow a compass bearing and indicate the direction of travel, and the direction of travel is always in line with the red lubber line. It's also used to take bearings to set a course initially, and that is what I'm going to show you in this video. I'll come back to that in a minute. The compass dial is suspended in oil and is free to rotate, so as the compass is rotated, the dial maintains its direction lined up with magnetic north here. The compass dial is also marked out in degrees 0 to 360 in 10-degree intervals, and it has the 4 cardinal points: north, south, east and west. Okay, this 5p piece over here, if we imagine that to be a surface marker buoy, and we want to get a compass bearing on it so that when we submerge we can follow that bearing and find whatever the buoy is attached to underwater. So what we do is we rotate the compass body until the lubber line is pointing directly at the target, in this case the 5p piece here, like that. We then rotate the bezel until this black arrow lines up with north on the floating dial, like that. Then we can read off at the end of the lubber line what the magnetic bearing is, and you can see it is about 260 degrees. So when we submerge, all we have to do is keep north lined up with this black arrow, point ourselves in the direction of the lubber line, and we are certain to reach the target underwater. That's it.